Unlocking your PayPal account after limitations. Let's get started. PayPal limits account for security reasons like suspicious activity, unverified information, or exceeding transaction limits. But these limitations can be fixed with a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, log into your account and check for notifications. PayPal will tell you exactly why your account was limited and what they need from you. Follow the instructions and submit the requested documents like an ID or transaction verification. Once done, people will review your case. If your case seems stuck, contact people support. You can message them through the help section or call for faster assistance. Keep an eye on our email for updates. People will confirm whether your account is unlocked or if they need more information. And that's it. Unlocking your People account after limitations is straightforward if you follow these steps. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.